If you're looking to use CrankWheel in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, I'm going to show you how to use CrankWheel right inside your browser and get up and running in no time. First things first, CrankWheel is a screen sharing tool that makes it incredibly easy to share your screen with anyone without the hassle of installing apps or dealing with complicated setups. It works seamlessly in Google Chrome, so no need to worry about compatibility or extra software. You can use this tool for free. Just check the first link below to grab a special offer with extended free trials. Next, let's get started. To use CrankWheel in Google Chrome, the first thing you need to do is head to the Chrome Web Store. Simply search for CrankWheel or visit the link in the description below. Once there, click Add to Chrome, and within a few seconds, the extension will be added to your browser. Now, you'll see the CrankWheel icon in the top right corner of Chrome. It looks like a little screen with an arrow pointing to the right. Click that icon to start a new session, and you'll be prompted to create an account if you don't have one yet. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. Plus, with the exclusive bonuses we've got for you, you'll have access to CrankWheel for free. Once you're logged in, you can start sharing your screen by clicking on the Share Screen button. Choose the screen or window you'd like to share, and it will automatically generate a link that you can send to anyone. You can share this link with clients, colleagues, or anyone you need to collaborate with, and they can start viewing your screen instantly. No downloads required. The next thing you need to know is how to manage your screen sharing settings. CrankWheel allows you to control whether your viewers can see your entire screen, just a specific window or a specific Chrome tab. This is great for privacy and ensures you're only sharing what's necessary. You can adjust these settings before or during your session, giving you complete control. The fourth thing I want to mention is how easy it is to manage multiple viewers. CrankWheel allows you to invite multiple people to your session. All they need is the link, and they can join without needing any special software. If you're running a meeting or presentation, this feature is a game changer. Now, let's quickly talk about what makes CrankWheel stand out. It has a feature called one-click screen sharing. This means that you don't need to go through complicated menus to get your session started. Just click the icon, select your screen, and boom, you're sharing instantly. Finally, before we wrap up, remember that you can get CrankWheel for free using the link below. If you're serious about using this tool for your business, the exclusive bonus offers in the description give you a longer trial, which is a fantastic way to explore all the features without any pressure. So, to recap, head over to the Chrome Web Store, add CrankWheel, start a session with a single click, control your screen sharing settings, and share your screen with multiple viewers fast and easily. Don't forget to check out the link below for your free extended trial.